Hi friends! Are you hearing a choppy sound while playing an audio CD using Windows Media Player on your computer? Let's go ahead and see how you can resolve the issue. Click on Start and then go to All Programs. Click on Windows Media Player to launch it. Click on Tools menu and then click on Options. Go to the File Types tab and then uncheck the checkbox next to Music CD Playback. Click on OK to save the changes. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. To check out more related tech videos, click here. If you have any query or want to share something with us, click here. To get iYogi tech support, dial toll-free numbers. To stay empowered technically, subscribe to our channel.